How to turn off Discord join sound. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can disable or turn off Discord join sound. Without any further ado, let's dive right in. So the first step here is open up your Discord. Head over to discord.com and log in into your Discord account, or simply open up your Discord application. It's completely fine either way. And after you're on your Discord, simply head over to the settings right here. You'll see the user setting option. Tap on that. After you tap on it, you'll be on your user settings. So after you're here, you will need to scroll on your left sidebar, and there you should find notification settings. Tap on notification settings, and right here you'll need to scroll down. So scroll down and you'll see the sounds section. Now, before we move on with the next step, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now, let's continue. So, after you're here, simply scroll down and there you'll see an option called User Join. Now, you can confirm the sound by playing this sound button right here to check if the sound is the same or not. Then simply toggle this button off. Doing that, now whenever users join Discord, they won't be notifying you with sounds. And yeah, if you want to turn off any other sounds, you can do that from here as well. And that's basically how you do this. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos, and bye bye. Take care.